A new progression event called King's Worlds is now live on Rollercoin. Let's check it out and also check out the possibility that a new game might be coming to Rollercoin soon as well, and more news as well. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so King's Worlds is the new progression event that is currently live. Let's start off with the progression event. On my screen here you can see King's Worlds banner at the very top here in the game section of Rollercoin. As you can also see that I have a small multiplier of times 1.1. If we go to more details, we can see all the quests and the most powerful miner here. It is Bitly Juice, with the uncommon version here giving you 3.42 petahash per second. At the time of recording this video, there are still 2 days and 55 minutes remaining. This progression event did start yesterday and it will go on until next Thursday. Okay, so you've got 2 days remaining. Let's go through the quests. So to get to a higher difficulty level in a game, you will get 500 points for each difficulty that you go up. For spending 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in the crafting offer, that's 1000 points for each and every RLT that you spend. For spending 1 RLT in the marketplace, it's 100 points. And for spending 1 RLT for the crafting offer, that's 5000 points. So again, that crafting offer is quite significant. So look out for those crafting offers. And there is one currently going on at the moment as well that you can actually take part in and get more points in order to get you through the progression event even faster. As you can see here, I have a times 1.1 multiplier. I just did this to test out the duration, and yes, it is now 12 hours thanks to Thump and those elections that were going on, and Thump was the winner, and one of the promises made in the elections was to increase the time of the multiplier for each and every progression event. Okay, so this is not going to be a permanent thing. I think this will last 2 or 3 weeks, so those promises will be implemented for around 2 or 3 weeks and not for the entire duration of Rollercoin, and it's not going to be permanent in any way, but at least we do get something. And speaking about the elections as well, there were more things that were added. One of them is the points that you get for the games, which are now times 10. So for example, if you check Token Blaster, for each and every game that you play, you're getting 65,520 points. Okay, same for all the other games. So everything is now times 10. So 65,520 points in the case of Token Blaster at the level of difficulty I am at the moment, which is the very beginning. Okay, that will go up even higher with more difficulties that I play. That means that that's going to give me for each and every game 65.5 terahash in power. Games points are obviously temporary for a week. If you have the maximum PC level, which I currently do have, the power holding is 7 days, and that power will obviously go down depending on how much you play games. So be sure to try and keep on playing those games on a daily basis as much as you can, especially during this current period where you have times 10 points for these games. All of the games have times 10. Okay, while I'm on this page, I'm going to show you as well here, there is a possibility that a new game might be coming out soon. There's a little preview here, looks like a little hamster, maybe an undercover agent. There are lasers maybe here, I'm not sure. But more to find out and more coming soon on that. But it's promising, and it seems like a new game will soon be launching on Rollercoin as well. So looking forward to that one. So back to the King's Worlds progression event, and I'm going to show you the list of rewards that you can get in this progression event as well. This is a 30 level progression event, as you can see in Piero's list, and thank you again, Piero, for always providing the lists. So here you can see that starting at level 1, you can get some RLT. Going all the way down to level 30, you can get that Bitly Juice at 3.42 petahash, and that's got a 4.5% bonus attached to it as well. There is the common Bitly Juice as well at level 29, and another one again at level 25. Okay, so Bitly Juice there, and they're all varying in bonus power. If you get the common one, you get 2.3. If you get the uncommon one, on top of that 2.3, you get another 4.5 as well. There's Sugar Melon at level 27 as well, with 750 terahash with a 4% bonus. Okay, so there's quite significant bonus power that you can get in this progression event. And also something worth mentioning in this progression event as well is that you get a significant amount of temporary bonus power as well, to be exact 19 petahash. Okay, now from those 19 petahash, 1 petahash will be valid for 7 days, and you can get that at level 4. The rest continue from level 9 onwards. So at level 9 you get another 5 petahash for 2 weeks, and then again you get another 3 petahash for 2 weeks at level 18, and another 10 petahash at level 22 for 14 days at level 22. So that's awesome. There's also the Blue Planet Miner here. I've never seen this one before, and that is further up as well. So at level 8 you can get the Blue Planet Miner. That's 198 terahash, no percent in bonus power for the common ones, and for the uncommon one you do get a 0.4% bonus with 519 terahash at level 24. Okay, couple of wrecks in there as well. There are a couple of sugar melon miners as well with that 4%, and you can get the very first one at level 12 further up. Okay, here, so level 12, if you make it that far, you already get a significant amount of bonus power in this progression event. The total amount of bonus power minus bonus power that you can get in this progression event is 16.81%, and you also can get 520 RST tokens for you to be able to spend in the season store, maybe open those parts cases and do some mergers with that RST. You can even open the season store chest and try your luck at getting a powerful miner as well. Okay, so 20 RST at level 2, 200 RST at level 11, and then you've got 200 RST at level 23 as well, which equals 520 RST. Okay, level 7 you've got 100 RST as well right there. So in a nutshell, that is pretty much this progression event. Always take advantage of those discounts. At the moment there is a 35% discount on BNB, and there are other discounts as well. So if we go to the wallet here, you can see BNB 35% discount, there's 20% discount on Matic, and there's 15% discount on Litecoin as well. Take advantage of these discounts because you will get multipliers, you'll be spending less crypto, and you will be getting more RLT that you can spend in the game as well, plus that multiplier which will help you get through the progression event even faster. So that is pretty much it for this one. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.